Palestinianness, our identity, and it will live on forever. And I think that right now, every single Palestinian is expressing themselves in the way that they see. And this is never going to go away. And we are going to continue holding on to our roots and representing our country in our ways. And my way is to represent Palestine in this universe and to continue my work with my initiative Save Palestine.
Yes, so you think that was up
This
or
work
not?
that I'm doing is not going to be going away. Of course, other people's dreams and ambitions and creativity is also not going to be going away.
There have been some who have criticised some of the statements you've made, especially runner-up of Miss Israel pageant, who said that you should be promoting peace and coexistence, and that's what the focus of this pageant should be. Will you be using your platform at the Miss Universe pageant to further highlight the situation for the Palestinian people?
My message is simply this, and it's to show the world that we Palestinians have an identity of creativity, of talents, of heritage, of culture. And I don't want people to be thinking when they hear the word Palestine to just be thinking of suffering and pain. So just like we hear the word Italy and we think of beautiful things like the Amalfi Coast and pigs and pasta, and we think of London, we think of the beautiful things in London, and when we think of other nations, we think of their heritage and their culture and their identity, and we see them as human beings. I want the same thing for Palestine, to show the world that we are human beings, and that is simply my message.
That's it from this week's Highlights from the World with me, Galtaki. Have a great weekend. See you all.
He's gorgeous. Bangers. Chickens, foxtrots, death drops, top of the lungs, tears of manners, a doorway through time and building our future. The BBC put £5 billion into the economy. All voices under one roof. There's a BBC for each of us, funded by all of us. This is our BBC. What's the magic of experience? It's your time. There has to be a moment where I say, wow, this is beautiful. I love that. Brand icons with emerging artists and their journey.
Yeah? What's that? Huh? What? For my collection? What you on? What's that for my collection?
We are at 3 o'clock.
Yep, it's coming on now.
See what happens.
Anyone's phone did it?
Hello, welcome. You're with BBC News. I'm Kasha Madeira, and we're actually coming on just slightly earlier this hour because if you're in the UK, the government is about to test its national alert system. Millions of people will receive a national test emergency alert to their phones at 1500 BST. That's 3 o'clock local time. This is the second time that the alert will be tested. The previous one was back in 2023. It saw some users get the alert a little bit ahead of time. So it was 30 seconds to go now. With me is my colleague Simon Jones. And Simon, so we're expecting, I'm geared up.
Countdown.
We're expecting this in about 20 seconds. I'm getting the countdown in my ear.
They're saying around 3 o'clock, so it might not be 3 o'clock on the It should be 3-ish. And the idea is there's going to be a 10-second siren sound, and your phone is going to vibrate. 2 seconds.
Oh, right. We are right on 3 o'clock. I've got no alerts. My phone's not vibrating.
We're running late.
And I'm not on either of my phones. There you go.
So it should be that phones that are connected to the 4G or 5G network should go off any time now.
It's not just me, is it? It's not
Well,
just
it's
the...
not going off on my phone.
You went
either.
4 or 5?
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, it's
Is
working.
that your one?
Yeah, it's working.
Right, let's on a serious note. What is this link to be
Yeah.
for? And I'd love to know if we had immediate access to our
This
viewers.
Oh, nice. So there you go.
A UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. You do not need to take any action.
Some people
In a real
got it
emergency,
early,
follow
some
the
people got it
instructions
late,
in the alert to
some
keep
people...
yourself
So
and
did
others
this working on there or
Oh,
not?
cool.
advice on how to prepare for emergencies
But the
at
idea is-
gov.uk/prepare.
Got this guy
Well,
now.
it's catching my one, though.
gov.uk/alerts for
Oh, the other one's going
Yeah.
now.
Interestingly,
Sure one, Dave, isn't it?
Yeah, it's on the telly.
That's her one, I'll tell you. The red alert, look, see? That's why you got the red alert on it.
wow.
It's at the top, that's your one.
Ah,
See? It's this one, huh?
put that near my microphone.
Look, hers one, our one. Where did hers one? Where did his one went?
And it's vibrating.
But they've got a slight couple of seconds delay, haven't they? I think. Because you're going to be lying one day.
I'm getting
delay.
lost about 10 seconds.
We're
And
on the
then
phone.
you get a
It's a
little...
ringtone.
I'll tell you what for your benefit. But I've got a little message as well saying severe alert. This is a test of emergency
now.
alert. The UK government
Apocalypse
service
is
that will
coming.
warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby.
Well, it's
You don't
exciting,
take
isn't it?
any action in a real emergency.
It didn't work last time. This time it worked.
They got even more on it.
So,
yeah. Did you get it on
Yeah,
your
one.
third phone?
I didn't get it on my second phone. Let's not be greedy
Oh,
now.
yeah.
And this
Yeah.
one is actually connected to the Wi-Fi in this building.
Is
So I
it
don't
just the Wi-Fi? Because if you're just on Wi-Fi, you won't get the alert.
No.
But if you are connected to 4 or 5G,
It should be.
you
It
got
should, it should
Yeah.
be fine.
I didn't get one on mine.
That's,
I've only got half a G, have I? I've got half a G on mine.
The Work and Pension Secretary is saying that the test is to make
what
sure
this
the
guy
system
who's
works.
talking about it as well.
Oh, well,
when it is needed most.
Go on,
If
yeah,
you think
yeah,
about
yeah,
rather,
yeah.
rather like whip up for those of you Susie at the
Oh,
Republic
well,
Sunday
fucking crap.
afternoon. Let's move on to the news now, though, because the
I don't want to go shop.
Well, 2 of those were for flooding, 2 were for